If you've got a penis and you'd like it to operate well, age is not so much your friend. Now, you're probably aware that things like heavy smoking, illnesses like heart disease, diabetes, obesity can affect the performance of your penis. But the main reason for the majority of men that their penis starts misbehaving in their view, i.e. softer erection, the erection's not firm enough to maintain intercourse or anal intercourse, and therefore it feels like a failure because I can't have sex with my partner. That's first of all wrong. I'll debunk that quite quickly. A man can have stimulation and sexual enjoyment to ejaculation with a soft penis. What he can't do is have a hard enough penis to penetrate, say for vaginal or anal intercourse. But the couple can keep going and incorporate hand play or mouth play or toy play so that he can still have a satisfying sexual encounter with his beloved